The Osmo Pocket 3 natively supports live streaming to platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. First, ensure your Osmo Pocket 3 is connected to the DJI Mimo app on your smartphone via Wi-Fi. Within the DJI Mimo app, navigate to the camera view. Look for the live streaming icon, often depicted as a broadcast tower or similar in the app's interface. Tapping this icon will initiate the live streaming setup process. You'll then be prompted to choose your desired platform from the list of available options. After selecting your platform like YouTube, connect your DJI account to the platform through login in the DJI Mimo app. Grant the necessary permissions for the app to access your account. Next, configure your stream settings, including the title, description, and privacy options, such as public, unlisted, or private. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate, keeping in mind your internet upload speed. Higher resolutions require faster upload speeds to maintain quality. Once settings are configured, tap the Go Live button within the DJI Mimo app. The Osmo Pocket 3 will now begin streaming video and audio directly to your chosen platform. Monitor your stream within the DJI Mimo app for viewer counts and comments to engage with your audience.